1.6 trig functions.
Alright, bye.
Shut up. Wait, I kind of. Yay.
I don't know what it is. Is this like the unit circle section?
Oh no.
This is just like
This is better.
sine cosine.
Like better as in.
Like this is graphs of all 6 trig functions.
Like the pair function?
Yeah, and the domain and range of them all.
Oh, that's never mind. I subtract my yay.
That's what I'm saying.
Formula for arc length S equals R theta. Remember, theta needs to be in radians. Good news is, in this class, pretty much everything is in radians already.
Yay.
Degrees are pretty much non-existent anymore.
Yay.
I don't know if that's good though.
I like that I don't have to switch it. Oh,
All right. R is radius and x and y are coordinate axes. So sine of theta is equal to y over r. Cosine of theta is x over r. Tangent of theta is y over x. Cosecant of theta is r over y. Secant of theta, r over x. And cotangent of theta, x over y. Alright, graphs of trig functions. Now, I'm going to graph all 6. I'm going to do 3 across. Do we still need this? Can I slide?
Yes. Jeez, not this. Just straight this.
Alright, I'm going to set up my little graphs here. What is happening? It was not specific. Too soon? I said it was not specific. stats,
Mm-hmm.
not specific. Yep.
You can go ahead with that.
You. I would know this stats class.
She's like dying.
Maybe you shouldn't hydrate. Like, that's the reason.
Like a mint or something.
You need a minute.
You have one.
I think she needs a minute.
I have orange ones.
I'll take an orange one.
I can get mine just the
Can I have a minute?
I don't know
Or
what's
is it
wrong
like
with
a
me.
cough?
No, they're like just a mint, big orange mint.
Thank you.
This one's.
Oh, it tastes good.
This will help.
I saw the Buc-ee's tin
What is
just
that?
the other day. I was
Anti-flush
like,
packet.
A what?
Is that a silica gel packet?
Yeah, I'm gonna have that.
That would theoretically like take.
It would stop.
It would absorb moisture, right?
Yeah.
Oh my.
No, but wouldn't that you would get a dry throat possibly more, right?
Yeah.
No.
I think okay.
I just remember
These
doing-
are tasty.
I
I'm okay
inherited
now.
my dad's doctor skills.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good.
All right, I'm going out to 2 pi on the right. I'm not going out to 2 pi on the left though.
I understand.
Oh wait, tangent. I'm doing something different. Hold please.
I'm holding.
You know what you
You're making slurping noise.
It's just enjoying spoofing.
Please.
That's what you sound like.
Stop.
What? You tried to eat normally? And it didn't work.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Wait, what? Oh.
Man.
Just existing. I'm sorry.
This is too much. No, we're done with it. Sorry, I was talking to myself.
Whoa.
Oh no!
Oh my
In
gosh,
her
it's a
distress.
sigh.
What a shame. No notes.
Terrible.
Oh,
My day is now ruined.
How far are we going out on the last one?
I'm literally depressed.
I thought I was going crazy. I was like, oh no, I'm about to get a really bad headache. Like, what's happening?
Oh, you thought you were about to black out?
How far are we going?
Well,
out?
like I thought, yeah, I thought I was like, what is going on?
Guys, we should pray.
You probably remember the parent functions. Right, guys?
Come on, Epsilon. Why do you do
Well, I remember weird, like the weird class tree, but I mean,
Well,
Where do we go out to?
that? How far are we going out to on the cosecant?
Where do
I'm
we
not
go
a
from
teacher.
that?
cosecant is 2 pi on both sides.
Okay.
Oh
That
dear.
sounds like my laptop.
It does sound like your laptop.
The thing has been off for like a week.
I got the blue screen of death on my laptop.
Did you really?
Oh, yeah.
And you had no choice but to shut it down.
I had to restart it.
Oh my gosh, when are we starting cyberfuture speaking?
Couldn't tell you.
That is just a general statement.
Seems like a William question.
He probably doesn't know either though.
Ready, please?
Sometimes.
During the summer, probably.
House it. Probably the house it.
How's it what? I know.
Monday.
Honestly, when we don't have Monday off, like at school, it confuses me.
It's basically like we have Friday off.
Oh no! Come back.
You?
No.
Why did you say that?
Because today's feels like Monday. Tomorrow feels like Tuesday. Then it feels like Wednesday. And then it feels like Thursday.
And then next week it feels like 5 days.
Yeah.
And it's awful.
Yeah.
Simply
Because
wrong.
next
Sounds like
week
you.
is
It feels
Friday.
like you go back to school on a Sunday. It's awful.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Sign starts at 0. Oh man.
We need to pray. This has to be a sign.
This is not the time.
Honestly.
Study hall? Study hall?
Are you gonna whack it?
Yes, I am.
I mean, you know.
I can whack it.
Hello.
I can.
I got it. I'll just give it a minute. I don't like teaching.
It's in
from-
burnout mode.
It's in what?
Burnout mode.
Oh. I was like, if it's about to explode, I need to run.
You just gonna leave us all in here?
How big would the?
Every man for himself.
I mean,
Just-
y'all are seniors. You should be able to get out.
Gotta be faster than the last
Better
person.
put these Crocs in a sports bro.
Ropane's gonna die because her Crocs aren't on sportsman.
Come back to life, buddy.
Who was it that said something to me? Finn was like, so what did you think about?
Pretty please.
Having the kids on you. Right? Is he not?
Yes.
That was a weird question.
Finn was like, how did it feel having the kids on you?
Oh, I think
Somebody did say that.
Please stay on.
Please don't shut off on me. Okay. Going quickly.
Okay. Speed run. I'm good at speed run.
Power through. Ethan's favorite words. That and flabbergasted.
What's the story behind flabbergasted?
It's just like his favorite word. I don't know. He was just like, one day he was just like, I was just so flabbergasted. Pretty much how it happened.
No.
Alright, cosine starts at 1. Oh dear. Now there's like lines running through it. Is that really annoying to y'all too?
Yeah, that's a good.
Yes. It's just, oh, I see it now. Well, I mean, that's,
Oh gosh, that didn't help the problem.
oh,
Magic.
Just like,
Something
I did not know that.
Alright, tangent has asymptotes at the pi over 2s.
I always wrote the answers wrong. This year, I hope I don't. I said I always write these wrong and get points on the quiz. But I will try to do it better. So,
Oh my gosh.
I forgot what that asymptote
that's the first thing she said. I can't be talking. I'm missing on like every quiz.
Alright, cosecant has asymptotes on the pi's. And also at 0.
May I ask why you're making the sound? It's like.
No.
Are you still on 0 too?
Yep. I don't think so.
Said my guy.
You said my darling. I was like, excuse me?
That's weird.
I was like, why are you talking about that?
You thought I said what?
Darling, my darling.
How did you get that from Guy?
I don't know. You said guy weirdly.
All right, secant is on the pi over 2s.
Which one are you guys
The one she's on?
The one she.
on?
You do be having mercy with.
I said we were powering through.
So it doesn't turn off on us.
The Lotus Mission Division.
Oh man,
I shall
hold on.
get out of here,
Pause.
Arr.
No, wait. I'm right. I'm looking at the wrong graph. Disregard.
though. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was looking at the cosecant graph on my paper and the secant one on my iPad.
Oh, that will I see that.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
I was like,
Aw,
something's
it's a
wrong.
sad face.
It is a sad face. He has droopy eyes.
He's so sad because the projector's not working.
No, that's me, cause math. And he's tearing up. Look, the dots are his tears.
Oh. Ew, his tears are in his mouth. That's bad.
All right, on zeros and pies, cotangent have asymptotes. Please don't die.
I'm really trying not to.
Really could use you tonight.
Yeah, okay.
I know.
And I mean other times too, but
You're right.
we do have a
Like,
game.
Wait, was
yeah,
our
but,
setter
like,
their
tonight.
senior?
Yeah, and the girl with the yellow shoes.
She's gone? Okay, nice. That's good. Okay.
Unless she reclassed. She should have been gone.
I
As far as I know, she was a senior.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, you really don't want me to play it tonight.
More.
Just want to.
What?
I'd have to find like a wig or
Oh,
something.
that's true.
They would never know. So they would.
All right, for sine, domain minus pi. Or wow, I'm an idiot. Negative infinity.
I think the
Okay, you know
domain
what, I'm
minus
an idiot.
I
pi.
did. That's why I
Okay,
said
I
I'm an
was like-
idiot.
Oh.
Less than x, less than infinity. I was about to say theta.
We are all straight.
We really are.
This is called returning from a break.
Amen to that.
Christian,
I just need a day.
nobody else.
I did.
Yeah. Range -1, less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 1. And the period is 2 pi. Cosine, domain, negative infinity. Doing better this time. Less than x, less than infinity. Range, -1, less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 1. And the period is 2 pi.
That was the first one, sorry. I was like,
All right, for tangent, this domain is going to be written weird. It's all x's that's not equal to something like plus or minus pi over 2, plus or minus 3 pi over 2, and so on and so forth. So any increment of pi over 2, positive or negative, is not included in the domain. So it's basically saying x not equal to whatever, but all other x values are part of the domain.
I see.
It won't be the only one written like that. So range is minus infinity, less than or equal to y. Hold on. Is it less than or equal to? No, it can't be. Just less than infinity. And the period for this is pi. Cosecant, the domain is all x as long as x is not 0, plus or minus pi, so on and so forth. So any increment of pi cannot be in the domain. Range, y less than or equal to -1, y greater than or equal to 1. Period is 2 pi. Secant, domain, x not equal to plus or minus pi over 2, so on and so forth. Any increment of pi over 2 is not in the domain. Range, y less than or equal to -1, y greater than or equal to 1. Period is 2 pi. And finally, for cotangent, the domain, x not equal to 0, plus or minus pi, plus or minus 2 pi, and so on and so forth. Range, -infinity, less than y, less than infinity. And the period is 2 pi. Why are we having a hard time? So basically with this, you just need to understand what these graphs look like and what their general domain and ranges are. I'm not really going to make you like do the problems and then state what it is. You should be able to take this information and use this to answer questions if you were given another graph and it asked for the domain and range of something like this. So make sure you know for the parent functions, the domain, range, period, what the graph looks like when we get to like a quiz or a test, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna like give you some huge problem to graph and then expect you to answer it. But let's see. A function f of x is periodic if there is a positive number p such that f of x plus p is equal to f of x. All right, this upside down a means for all x. The smallest such value of p is the period of f. Something to note, cosine x and secant of x are even functions. Sine of x, cosecant of x, tangent of x, and cotangent of x are odd functions.